It's rain prediction and cloud seeding in UAE. We planned our camping in rain. As usual, we got late and reached the camping site a bit late evening and it was pitch dark. We started setting up the tent and it's so windy and drizzling. It is so pleasant to have a tea while raining. My kids enjoying the corns and sausages and I started to marinate the chops. The camping before it was Australian lamb rib. Now we bought this time Kenyan lamb rib. So let's see whether it is cooking well and giving us the taste. When we went to Kenya, we tasted the Kenyan flesh, but it was good. This is rosemary leaves. My kids all are fast asleep and we are enjoying our dinner. We woke up with the shining sun, cool breeze and the sound of the flamingos. What can we name her? I started to prepare the woods for the bonfire. Wow, success! We are going to eat chicken for the lunch, so started marinating it.
Okay, Hannah, what food you are making?
Chicken.
Oh.
After a wonderful lunch, now it is time to go back home. Hope you liked my video. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. So see you my dear friends on my next video.